everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gomora from the 27th to the 1st of October 2021 on Monday. Melusi throws himself in Tati's arms. Zodwa tells the kid they will have to start counting their sins. Melusi goes to the police station on Tuesday. Introducing Don Donza, the new king of Gomora. One woman cries while the other rejoices as Melusi makes a choice. Zodwa makes the ultimate motherly sacrifice on Wednesday. Melusi struggled to come to terms with the lady's involvement in Langa's death. Mazet plot to get rid of Don. Miss Flungwane is suspicious of Tati's motives for helping the girls on Thursday. Don and Mazet continue their game of cat and the mouse while his family is divided on what to do with him. The Dlamini household comes undone on Friday. Don's party ends in tears. Melusi finds himself in a messy situation. Mazet turns the table. Guys, I think it's time for Melusi to choose what he wants and stop playing games. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.